Hello student, very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine at home. Do you remember what were we discussing yesterday? I think yesterday we were discuss about the multiple choice question or objective type question based on chapter number 1, which is polynuclear and the heteronuclear aromatic compound according to as a new revised syllabus of choice based credit system introduced by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, and we are discussing that new syllabus on the basis of multiple choice question, because we are facing the still pandemic 2019, and therefore most of the examination, university examination as well as college level examinations, continuous internal assessment examination are on online mode, and therefore we are preparing in view of these. And let's see the next questions which is written over here. Why is the sulfonation of furan not carried out with concentrated H2SO4? Because the reasons are given here. It opens furan ring, it causes furan ring, it closes furan ring, and it substitutes furan ring, all of this. What do you think? Which would be the? And while studying as a sulfonation reaction, we already mentioned that why is sulfonation of furan. Remember, sulfonation of furan not carried out with concentrated H2SO4 as it opens the furan ring. That is the main reason, and here only we modified the question like this: why is sulfonation of furan not carried out with concentrated H2SO4? Remember, only it opens the furan ring, only and one option which is the correct one. So this is the first objective we have solved. Their justification we have seen, because it opens the furan ring. It is not as stable as other 5-membered rings. Now the question number 87. Let's see here. Sulfonation of furan is carried out with sulfonation of furan. Sulfonation of furan is carried out. Sulfonation of furan is carried out with SO3 and pyridine. Sulfonation of furan is carried out with SO3 and pyridine, gives exclusively, and the answers, the options are given: 2-furan sulfonic acid, 2-furan sulfonic acid, and B, 3-furan sulfonic acid, 3-furan sulfonic acid, and C option is given. 4 4-furan sulfonic acid or 1-furan sulfonic acid, 1-furan sulfonic acid, and D, none of this. You can none of this. Let's see here. What is question? Sulfonation of furan is carried out with SO3 sulfur trioxide in presence of pyridine gives mainly or exclusively. So we know the structure of, let us see the structure of 2-furan sulfonic acid. The structure of 2-furan sulfonic acid will be this one, SO3H. This is a, and 3-furan sulfonic acid. The structure of that 3-furan sulfonic acid would be like this, and 1-furan sulfonic acid, it is impossible things. SO3H, maybe you can put as a positive charge, but that is not possible at all. Among these two only, one of them is a right answer or the correct answer. And which is the correct answer? If you remember the general statement regarding the 5-membered, even though furan undergoes electrophilic substitution at 2 positions, and therefore according to that, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2 positions. Sulfonation generally carried out in presence of sulfur trioxide and the pyridine, which occur at 2 positions, and therefore we will get this would be the correct answer of this, and therefore let us see A is the correct option. So these are the point we have discussed. Now let us look at the next question, question number 88. Question number 88. Let's see. Question number 88. Furan reacts with acetyl chloride. Furan reacts with acetyl chloride. Furan reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, in presence of AlCl3 as a catalyst, gives dash 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 dash. See here, furan reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of furan reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 as a catalyst gives dash dash. What it gives, let us see here what is the action of furan, and options are given here. Option A option is 3-acetyl furan, 3-acetyl furan. B is a 2,3-diacetyl furan, 2,3-diacetyl furan, and C would be 2-acetyl furan, 2-acetyl furan, and D would be none of these. None of this, none of this means here just remember furan reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3 as a catalyst, gives dash dash. Remember here for justification one sentence. What is that? Electrophilic furan undergoes electrophilic substitution at 2 position. Why 2 position? In our previous lecture we have explained the actual, given the justification why electrophilic substitution occur at 2 position rather than 3 position. We have attached electrophile at 2 position as well as at 3 position, and we have drawn the structure. There we found that when electrophile attach at 2 position, number of resonating forms obtained are 3, but in case of when electrophile attach at a 3 position, the resonating form or the canonical form obtained will be only 2, and as the number of resonating structure or canonical structure goes on increasing, the stability of that compound goes on increasing, and that clearly understood that when electrophile attack at 2 position, in addition to that, when electrophile attack at a 3 position, the carbon-carbon double bond, one of the carbon-carbon double bond is not involved in the delocalization, it remains as it is, it does not contribute its pi electron for delocalization, and therefore the electrophile is furan undergoes electrophilic substitution mainly at 2 position. If you see the structure of 3-acetyl furan, let me draw these structures here. Furan means oxygen atom involved in the ring forming, and here C double bond O, CS3 acetyl group. Now here the structure which I have drawn would be this one, oxygen, and then here is what we can draw here, C double bond O, CS3 at 2 position as well as at 3 position there will be a acetyl group CS3 CH3, and therefore 2 are there, therefore 2 3 diacetyl furan, and sorry, this one is a 2-acetyl furan, this one is a 2,3, and now 2-acetyl furan is a this one, 3-acetyl furan I am showing over here, 3-acetyl furan, C double bond O, CS. Look at this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 3 position, acetyl group is here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 2 position, acetyl group is there, and therefore 3-acetyl furan, this one, 3-acetyl furan, and according to our general statement, furan undergoes electrophilic substitution at 2 position, and C is the right answer. So here you have, let us see one more. Here is a question number 89, and let us see what is it. Question number, what is the following reaction? Question number 89 is only what is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? Question mark. What is the following reaction? Question mark is there, and the reaction is written here. Reaction is represented here. This is a furan. It will be treated with CHCl3 in presence of AlCl3, which is a reagent, not this one, not this one. Let us make the correction here. Here CS3 C double bond O Cl, and in presence of AlCl3, the product form which is C double bond O and CS3. This is the product generally formed, and the options are given. A option is Paul-Knorr reaction, Paul-Knorr reaction. B, Haworth reaction, Haworth reaction. And C would be Rimmer-Tymon reaction, Rimmer-Tymon reaction. And D would be Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. See over here, what is the following reaction? CS3 C double bond OCl in presence of AlCl3. As we know that this is one of the very famous reaction. Do you remember aromatic compound undergoes some common electrophilic substitution reaction such as bromination, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, in that there are two types of the Friedel-Crafts reactions are occurring. One, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and another one, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So this is nothing but as it belonging or it involved in the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. So this is a Friedel-Crafts reaction, and see here D is the correct option for this. Now let us move on to the next reaction, and that is a multiple choice question number 90 over here. Let's see question number 90 here. What is the following reaction? Simply, the question is very simple. What is the following reaction? What is the following reaction? Question mark is here. Here, option A. What is following reaction? Here A. What is the following reaction? And reaction is given, not E. Here a reaction is given, furan, then C6H5 N triple bond NCl. Here is a plus, here is a minus, and then the product also given. You just identify what will be the C6H5, what will be the correct, and the answers are given. A, options are given. Rimmer-Tymon reaction, Rimmer-Tymon reaction. B is a diazo coupling reaction, diazocoupling reaction, and she would be Paul-Knorr reaction. C would be the Paul-Knorr reaction, and D would be Friedel-Crafts reaction. D would be Friedel-Crafts reaction. What do you think? What is the following reaction? The reaction is represented here. Furan. This is a diazocoupling. Not what we can call it as a, yes, it is one of the reagent, and we are getting as a azo compound, right? And that type of the reaction is known as a diazocoupling reaction. So B is the correct answer, because this is involving a diazocoupling reaction. Now let us move on to the next, that is a question number 91. Let's see here. Question number 91 would be, what is it? Furan react with benzene. Furan reacts with benzene. Furan reacts with benzene. Diazonium chloride. Benzene, diazonium chloride. Furan reacts with benzene diazonium chloride. Furan reacts with benzene diazonium chloride at 5 degrees centigrade. At 5 degrees centigrade gives dash dash dash. Furan reacts with benzene diazonium chloride at 5 degrees centigrade gives dash dash A. A would be 2-phenylazofuran. 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 B. 3-phenylazofuran. B. 3-phenylazofuran. 3-phenylazofuran. 1-phenylazofuran. C. 1-phenylazofuran. And D. D is none of these. D is none of these. D is none of these. See, once again, furan reacts with benzene diazonium chloride at 5 degrees centigrade gives dash dash. Options are given. Let us see the structure of these. Let us look at the structure of this. Furan means it has a furan moiety, this one. At 2 position there is a N double bond N C6H5, and this is known as a 2-phenylazofuran. Let's see 3-phenylazofuran. The structure of 3-phenylazofuran will be at 3 position here N double bond N C6H5. This is a group attached there. Now 1-phenylazofuran and 1-phenylazofuran would be the impossible structure here. Here may be as a N, double bond N, C6H5, it's impossible structure. So among these, let's see, if you remember, do you remember furan undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at 2 position? This is one of the very important sentence as far as a 5-membered ring is concerned. All the 5-membered ring, commonly known 5-membered rings are furan, pyrrole and the thiopene. They undergoes electrophilic substitution at 2 position. They exclusively gives the product, whatever incoming group must be attached at 2 position, and the product, and the option here is the right option given over here, and this is the compound we got over here. Now let us move on to the what is the following reaction. Let us see the question number 92. Question number 92, and what's it? Let's see that question number 92. Question number 92 will be this one. What is the following reaction? 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 Reaction is represented here. See, furan, then CHCl3 in presence of KOH, potassium hydroxide. See, furan, and it give product also mentioned here. See the what kind of product they would get here. So this is the product obtained when furan is treated with these reagents. And now options are given. One is a Rimmer-Tymon reaction, Rimmer-Tymon reaction. Second B, Diels-Alder reaction, Diels-Alder reaction. A, B, C. C would be Paul-Knorr reaction, Paul-Knorr reaction, and D would be Friedel-Crafts reaction. D would be Friedel-Crafts reaction. See here, what is the following reaction? CaCl3 KOH and gives this product. This is one of the famous reaction, and the name of some of the reaction is given here. Out of that, you should choose the correct option, correct alternative. Rimmer-Tymon reaction, Diels-Alder reaction, Paul-Knorr reaction, and Friedel-Crafts reaction. And Paul-Knorr reaction, it is known for the synthesis of 5-membered ring. This is a substituent. Rimmer-Tymon reaction, because this specifically chloroform in presence of KOH gives the Rimmer-Tymon reaction, and this would be the correct answer for this, and this is a Rimmer-Tymon reaction. Let us see the next reaction, that is a not the reaction. Let me question number 93 here. Question number 93 would be this: when furan is treated with chloroform and KOH, undergoes dash dash reaction. When furan is treated with chloroform and KOH, chloroform and KOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, undergoes dash dash reaction. Undergoes dash dash reaction. Undergoes dash dash reaction. When furan is treated with chloroform and KOH, undergoes dash dash reaction. 9 options are given. A. Diels-Alder. B. Would be Paul-Knorr. C would be Friedel-Crafts. And the C would be Rimmer-Tiemann, not this. Rimmer-Tiemann. So here, when furan is treated with chloroform and KOH, undergoes dash dash reaction. The named reactions are whether it undergoes a Diels-Alder reaction, whether it undergoes Paul-Knorr reaction, whether it undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction, whether it undergoes a Rimmer-Tiemann reaction, and it undergoes as a Rimmer. Let us see reaction how it will take place. Here is a furan CHCl3 in presence of KOH. Generally introduce the fermyl group in the reaction, this one. And what is that? This reaction is known as a Rimmer-Tiemann reaction. And therefore C is the right answer for this question. And I think these are some of the multiple choice questions we have discussed here, and remaining multiple choice questions still there. We will try to solve the maximum multiple choice question, so there is no any ambiguity regarding that multiple choice question. Any kind of the multiple choice question suppose appear in the exam, you will be able to attempt that one properly or perfectly. You cannot miss that questions, or if you read thoroughly the chapter as well as multiple choice question, and it is very easy to do the hard work for any achieve. If you want to achieve something in a life, you should be do the hard work, make the continuity in that, and then you will be success in your life. I think with this, let us stop today here. Remaining we will see in our upcoming lectures. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.